To create a template for Wix in 2025, start by understanding the basics of Wix and its template requirements. Wix is a website creation platform that allows users to build and design their own websites without coding. A template is a pre-designed layout that can be used as a starting point for creating a website. First, plan your template design by considering the type of website you want to create and the features it will need. Think about the layout, color scheme, and overall aesthetic you want to achieve. Sketch out a rough wireframe of your template to visualize the design and make any necessary adjustments. Next, choose a template type, such as a business, e-commerce, or blog template. Wix offers a range of template categories to choose from, so select the one that best fits your needs. Use Wix built-in template editor to customize your template and add your own unique touches. To create a template from scratch, start with a blank page and add the necessary elements, such as text, images, and videos. Use Wix drag and drop editor to arrange the elements on the page and customize the layout. Add interactive elements, such as contact forms and social media links, to enhance the user experience. When designing your template, keep in mind the importance of responsiveness and mobile friendliness. Ensure that your template looks and functions well on a variety of devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Use Wix built-in responsive design tools to test and optimize your template for different screen sizes. Once you have designed your template, test it thoroughly to ensure that it is functional and user-friendly. Make any necessary adjustments and finalize your template. You can then save and export your template for use on your own website or share it with others. Best practices for creating a Wix template include keeping the design simple and intuitive, using high-quality images and graphics, and optimizing the template for search engines. By following these steps and tips, you can create a professional-looking and functional template for Wix that meets your needs and enhances your online presence.